Right, today we're just going to protect this bay tree. If it's been left outside, we're just going to protect it against frost. So we're going to wrap it in fleece, wrap the stem, wrap the head, and protect the pot as well. The first thing to do is to lift it up off the ground. You can just use ordinary bricks, or you can buy the proper pot feet. Right, so the pot you put your plant in, make sure it's a decent quality frost-free pot. That can stay outside all winter. If it's not a frost-free pot, probably the best thing to do is you can still wrap the tree, you could probably wrap the pot as well, but it might be better just to put it into a cold greenhouse, porch, shed over winter. That way it won't break apart if we get a real hard frost. Get yourself a ball of string, a knife and some fleece. So the first thing to do is I'm going to wrap the stem. And then start off at the bottom, tuck one end in and start wrapping around. It doesn't have to be really tight, but just make sure you just kind of cover the whole of the stem. And once you've covered the whole of the stem, a couple of bits of string. The string around the stem, and that just stops the fleece slipping down over winter. And then the head. And put it on there, wrap it around. So once you've got it around the head, we tuck it in. Try and leave a little piece at the top that's a little bit open over winter. So just get yourself a bit of string, wrap it around a couple of times, and then tie it up. Leave the top open a little bit, and then just kind of fold it in a little bit, just a little. And then that lets any moisture or any air coming out, just gives it a bit of air in the middle. So you can do this to tender shrubs, so you've got bananas, bay trees, tender geraniums, anything really that you kind of want to keep outside. Just wrap them up like that. Be creative with a bit of fleece.